Understanding gesture controls. A guide for English language learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore the fascinating world of gesture controls. This technology has become a significant part of modern devices and applications. Let's dive in to understand what gesture controls are and how they work. Stay with us to learn some interesting English phrases along the way. Gesture controls refer to the ability of a device to recognize and respond to movements of the human body, typically hands or fingers. This technology allows users to interact with devices without physically touching them. It's like magic, but it's all about smart technology. To understand gesture controls, it's important to know about sensors and cameras in devices. These components detect your movements and translate them into commands. For example, swiping your hand to the left might mean, "Go to the next photo," in a photo gallery app. It's a seamless blend of human action and digital response. Let's look at some common examples. Smartphones and tablets. Pinch to zoom in or out on photos. Video games. Move your body to control the game character. Smart homes. Turn off lights with a wave of your hand. Understanding these examples helps in grasping how integrated and intuitive gesture controls are in our daily lives. When discussing gesture controls, you'll often hear phrases like swipe left, right, moving your finger across the screen, pinch and zoom, using two fingers to zoom in or out, wave recognition, waving your hand to give a command. Being familiar with these phrases can be very handy. We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of gesture controls and enriched your English vocabulary. Remember, technology is not just about using devices, but also about understanding the language behind it. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.